Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have an exciting budget smartphone to unbox, review and test, which is the Doogee N50. This is a budget-friendly device that promises reasonable performance and features without breaking the bank. So let's dive right into the review. As with all Doogee devices, the N50 arrives in a bright yellow box. Inside we find the basic stuff, a warranty card, the SIM card eject pin and the user manual. Of course, we have the N50 itself. It comes with a clear silicone case and a screen protector already applied, which is nice. And last we got an 18-watt power brick and a USB A to USB Type-C cable. So first, let's talk about the design and build quality. The N50 is available in 3 colors and we have the granite black model. The phone boasts a pretty sleek and modern design, with a sturdy build that feels comfortable in the hand. Overall, the design is sensible and subdued, and I quite like how the phone looks. The back is plastic, with glass used for the camera bump. In terms of ports and I/O, on the bottom we have a USB-C port, microphone and a speaker. On the left side we have a SIM card/memory card tray. On the top we got a 3.5mm audio jack and speaker grill, which is just for symmetry. The N50 has one bottom firing speaker. Continuing on the right we got the volume rocker and the power button, which also doubles as a fingerprint sensor. In terms of the display, the Doogee N50 packs a 6.52 inches full-view display with 20:9 aspect ratio and resolution of 1600 by 720. The brightness peaks at respectable 390 nits. The panel delivers vibrant colors, sharp visuals and decent viewing angles. The slim bezels and a small notch at the top ensures an improved viewing experience. There's no adaptable refresh rate and the display is 60Hz, which is to be expected considering the fact that this is a budget-friendly device. And on the plus side, a 60Hz display draws less power. I was also pleasantly surprised by how fast and responsive the Fingerprint Scanner is. I had much more expensive phones that had considerably worse performing fingerprint sensors, so good job on that. The Doogee N50 features a 1217 ultra-linear speaker with smart PA support. The loudness is very good and the overall audio quality is great too. One thing I didn't like is that below 50% volume the sound is a bit on the quiet side, but I guess you can compensate by simply increasing the volume. One of the highlight features of the Doogee N50 is its impressive battery life. We have massive 4200 mAh battery, which easily lasts a full day of heavy use. In my use, the N50 could handle extensive web browsing, video streaming, social media and light gaming without any issues. When it comes to charging, the N50 supports fast charging, so you can quickly top up your battery and get back to using your device. In terms of storage, the N50 comes with 128GB of built-in storage, which is expandable to up to 1TB with microSD card. This is great for users who need additional space for their apps, games, photos and videos. The phone comes with Android 13, which offers a very smooth user experience and increased security features. Under the hood, the Doogee N50 is powered by a UNISOC T606 octa-core processor coupled with 8GB of RAM. This combination ensures smooth multitasking and handles day-to-day tasks without a problem. While it may not be the most powerful chip on the market, it offers a decent performance for a budget device. Gaming and casual usage are handled well, although you might experience occasional lags in more resource-intensive applications. I've tested the N50 with few of the most popular and demanding mobile games, and in the next few clips I wanted to showcase the performance of the device.
Changing mag. Contact! Contact with enemy! Enemy down!
Predator missile on standby.
Contact with enemy!
Target on. Winning this
Enemy
one.
in sight!
Next, moving on to the camera setup, the Doogee N50 features a dual camera setup. We have a 50 megapixel main shooter and 2 megapixel macro lens. This versatile setup allows us to capture a wide range of shots with good details and fairly accurate colors. The camera app also offers various shooting modes and AI enhancements to further enhance your photography experience. All in all, the images captured are surprisingly good for a budget device with decent color reproduction and sharpness. The N50 can also record video at 30 fps in full 1080p resolution, and the video footage is decent. Overall, the Doogee N50 is a solid all-round budget device that offers great value for money. It has a sleek and compact design, decent performance, capable cameras, and durable battery, which makes it a viable option for those on a tight budget. While it lacks the bells and whistles of a flagship device, it certainly gets the job done without breaking the bank. So guys, if you like the Doogee N50, you can purchase it using the links in the video description. Hope you liked the video and see you all next time.